Wala kang kwenta, anak. Bakit ka pa nabuhay dito sa mundo? Matay ka na sana.
Di solusyon ang pagpapakamatay para mawala ang iyong problema.
Alam mo ba maraming tao ang nagnanais na mabuhay tapos ikaw tutulog ka lang dyan?
Hindi ka nag-iisa, may karamay ka.
Mental health includes emotional, psychological, and social well-being.
It affects how we feel, think, and act.
It also helps us to determine how to reduce stress, relate to others, and make healthy decisions.
Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood to adolescence, through adulthood.
We advocate for mental health awareness through seminar and making mental health counseling, in which we can help the students and how to manage their emotional and psychological distress.
Hindi solusyon ang pagpapakamatay para mawala ang iyong problema.
Let's make this problem as a challenge that can help us on how to handle our stress and problems properly. Dahil ang iyong mental health ang prioridad natin. Hindi ka nag-isa, may karamay ka.